Welcome, boys. It's time to do the exercises now. Hope you all must have tried the exercises at your homes. So, the first exercise is fill in the blanks, and the first answer is the physical components of a computer which we can touch and feel are known as hardware. Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. So, the second answer is motherboard. Third is PCI serves as a connection between the motherboard and any connected hardware. Fourth one, hard disk is also known as Winchester disk. And the last one is the picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. Now, true and false. The first one, hardware and software are independent of each other. So, it is wrong because hardware and software are interdependent of each other. So, the first one is false. Second, a motherboard is mounted outside the CPU cabinet. Again, it's false because the motherboard is inside the CPU cabinet. So, it is false. Third one, parallel port is used for devices that do not require high-speed transmission. So, again, false because parallel port is used for devices that require high-speed transmission. Now, the fourth one, keyboard is one of the most important input devices used to input data, and it's correct. So, the fourth one is true. And the last, a digital camera can take only still photographs. So, it is again false. Now, come to the multiple choice questions. The first question is which of the following is not a storage device? So, you can see plotter is not a storage device, it is output device. The second, which among the following types of mouse uses laser technology to detect the motion of the ball? So, the answer is optical mouse because optical mouse uses the laser technology to detect the motion of the ball. The third one, dot matrix is an example of impact printer. And the fourth one, the data transfer rate of CD-ROM is measured in option B, kilobytes per second. And the last one is flash drive is also called pen drive, thumb drive, or all of these. So, flash drive is also called both. So, the answer will be all of these. Now, question answers. The first question is what are the two major components of a computer? Explain them in brief. So, the answer is given on page number 6. Come to page number 6. So, it is page number 6 on your book, and under the heading Anatomy of a Computer, you have to write two major components are hardware and software. Then you have to put heading hardware, and write the full paragraph. The second heading is software, and you have to write here, write from this to application software. So, this is the first answer. Now, the second question is what is a motherboard? What does it contain? So, the answer is given on the same page, that is page number 6. Under the heading motherboard, you can see a motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that holds the most essential components of the computer system. So you need not write the whole paragraph. I am marking it. Just mark it. Mark the answer. Your answer will be from here. A motherboard is the main circuit board. Till here, system. And the second sentence that you have to write is, it serves a single platform to connect all the parts of a computer together and allows them to communicate with each other. Till here. So this will be your answer 2. The question 3 is, what is the main unit of computer? What is its function? The answer is given on page number 7 and 8. As you can see under the heading CPU, you have to write CPU is the main unit of a computer. It is alternately referred to as microprocessor. It controls all the instructions it receives from hardware and software running on a computer. Till here you have to write computer. Okay, and then in the next page, you have to write the mainly three components of CPU, or three main components of CPU are memory unit, arithmetic and logical unit, and control unit. You need to write only headings, no need to write explanation about these units. Now the next question is, what is modem? Mention its types. So the answer is given on page number 9 under the heading modem. You have to write, modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It is a device from here till signal. And then there are three types of modems: internal modem, external modem, and the last one is PC card modem. And this is PC card modem. No need to explain, only write the names of the types of modems, that are internal modem, external modem, and PC card modem. Question number 5 is, write short notes on the following. The first one is SMPS. The answer is given on page number 8, and that you can see on the screen. SMPS stands for switched mode power supply. It is essential for safe running of power consuming electrical from here till current on or off. Till here you can see. Current on or off. Till here you have to write about SMPS. And the second part is heat sink. It is given on page number 9. So in this you have to write, a heat sink is an electronic device which is designed to disperse the heat generated by the CPU and till processor cool. Keep the processor cool. So this is your second answer. The third one is parallel port, and the answer is given on page number 10. You can see in the table it is given about parallel port. So in parallel port you have to write, it transfers several bits of data together at one time till here to here, and then it is used for devices that require high speed data transmission such as printers. So in parallel port answer you have to write, it transfers several bits of data together at one time, then it is used for devices that require high speed data transmission such as printers. So this is your answer 3, and the last one is flash drive. And this answer is given flash drive. And now flash drive. It is fourth part of answer question number 5. The answer is given on page number 15. As you can see on the screen, flash drive. Under the heading flash drive, you have to write it is a small and portable flash memory data storage device mainly used to transfer audio, video and data files from the hard drive of one computer to another. It is removable and rewritable. Till here you have to write, and then you need to write one more sentence, and that is flash drive is also called pen drive or thumb drive. Till here. So that's it. Your all the exercises are done, and as you know, you have to do all the exercises in your book except the question answers, and the question answers are to be done only in your fair copy. So complete your work, do the question answers, try to learn it also. So till then, take care, bye bye.